Welcome to Park on Cambridge at 7901 Cambridge Street in the heart of Texas Medical Center in Houston. I'm Julie Tam. Thanks for joining me for Smarter Real Estate, my weekly Wednesday series, helping you to be a smarter buyer, seller, tenant, or landlord, and also taking you on some of my real estate adventures. We are here at Unit 42. You can see this lovely extended window from the kitchen where you can put plants and other decor. I'm going to take you in for a tour because this condo is available for rent right now. It's a one story unit on the second floor. As you come in, you can see the abundance of built-in cabinetry and counter space for all sorts of purposes. Also, it is furnished. Here you have a sofa, pretty large size, 3-seater with a coffee table, tile flooring at the entrance and carpet elsewhere in parts of the unit. There's the wall dividing the living area and the bedroom. So there's not a separate private bedroom. It's a little bit more open. Swinging around here, you can see the kitchen and the dining area. We have a table, chair, and a little storage rack for your dishes. More built-in counter space, drawers and cabinets below and above, and shelving that's open as well. In the kitchen, you have abundant cabinetry, a stackable washer and dryer unit, laminate wood flooring, space for your trash can and to store some other small items, an electric range with a microwave vent hood above, and also a full-size top-bottom refrigerator. Shelves for extra storage, basically an open pantry, and a ceiling fan. Coming in here, you do get higher ceilings. It feels very open and airy. More, of course, built-ins, and the bed is included as well as the mattress. I mean, there is just endless amounts of storage here, which is really great. You can really hide things out of sight in the drawers and the cabinets. And if you have trinkets or books, things you want to put on display, you can put them on the open shelves. A lot of closet space as well. Take a look. This can serve as a coat closet, extra storage. And here you have a walk-in closet. Pretty rare find for a condo like this in the medical center area. Mirrors as well. And your full bath. Vanity with extra knee space. And a large garden tub with shower that's tiled. It already has built-in shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner holders there that you can use. And even a window to let in fresh air and natural light. There is a carport covered parking spot reserved for this unit and plenty of common areas to enjoy, including a swimming pool, a clubhouse, and picnic areas.